Oh, let me just try a little bit of this and pick it up and see what happens. Hello curly crew, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet, where I cover all things natural hair, lifestyle and beauty. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, and of course if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying out a product that I have never featured on my channel before, but I'm actually going to be trying it out for a style. Actually 2 new products really, but anyway, just stay for the next segment and I will explain everything there. And of course if you like this video, then please share it with a friend. You can also hit the red subscribe button below. You can hit the bell for notifications, that way you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Let's get into it. Hey loves, here I am. I'm about to try some new products. My hair has just gotten washed. It is still wet. Some of my twists came out in the shower because that's what happens sometimes. It's not going to be like a whole product range review or anything like that. It's literally just going to be a couple of products that I've had in my stash that I thought, let me just give them a try. So the first one is going to be this product right here. So this is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Moisture Curl Hair Milk. You can see I've already started using it. I can't really show you properly how much, but most of it is still left in the package, in the bottle. I went to a Treasure Chest event where you could actually build your own box and they had all of the products laid out, but I picked up this product. I just thought, okay, let me just try it. I've never tried this coconut milk range. I've never gotten into it. Looking back at reviews on YouTube, it's been around for about 2 or more years. And then one day, randomly, a couple of months later, I needed something to moisturize my twists or something, and I thought, oh, let me just try a little bit of this and pick it up and see what happens. Listen, I was like, wait, hold on, I didn't know that this was this good. Bearing in mind as well, I don't really use hair milks. I can't say I don't like hair milks, but I don't really use them like that. I feel like milks are more for hair that needs moisture, but just not so like intensively packed, like not such a thick product and stuff. But this was really lovely just for refreshing my hair. So I figured today I'm going to do some twist in my hair. Let me just see how this goes. I also picked up this, which is the curl repair leave-in from the same range of products. Now this I have not tried out yet, so this will be my first time trying this out. Now I'm not sure about what order to use the products in. The instructions for the milk say apply to damp, towel dried or dry hair, distribute evenly through hair with fingers from roots to ends, style as desired. And from here it says almost exactly the same thing. This, even though it's a milk, it's a milk, but yeah. So this is a milk, but the texture is, it has some thickness to it, which is nice. Might as well just put this in the ends, because you know we're not here wasting product. This comes sealed. I literally just taken the seal off. It has a thicker consistency, but still has some slip to it as well. I would say a little bit thicker than the milk. So honestly, this is what I'm going to do. I feel like both of these could function as a leave-in depending on your hair texture and type. But since this is a little bit slightly more milky than the official leave-in, I'm actually going to use this on my hair first, let it absorb in a bit more, and then put the leave-in on top. Because for me, products are a little bit runnier, tend to work better as a leave-in. The thicker ones work better as a styler. We're gonna see how this goes. I haven't deeply looked into like the ingredients and all of that stuff. This is not like a full review of the whole range, but if you do want to see a full review of the whole range, then comment below. The ingredients for the milk, we have water, shea butter, glycerin, hexylene glycol, cetearyl alcohol. By the way, cetearyl alcohol is a moisturizing alcohol, so not drying. Fragrance, oh, quite high up, and then more stuff. It does have sunflower, safflower, soybean, coconut and olive and argan oils in it, but these are further down towards the ends. It does say on the packaging, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petrolatum. However, it is with an asterisk, which goes down to a little section that says formulated without adding. If you've watched my previous Pure Honey review, then you'll know how I feel about this whole formulated without adding. I didn't buy it, but I like how it feels on my hair, so we're gonna go with it, okay? Okay, so starting from the back, this is a pretty big section, but it's fine. I think I'm gonna divide it off. Okay, good. Starting off with the milk, I'm just gonna pump some of this out of my hands. It's easier that way. Just sit on the table. There's that. Smells lovely. Does not smell highly overly fragrance like some other Cream of Nature products, I'll be honest. That's already going in nicely. All I've done here is just rake it in with my hands. Can you see, like, or smoothed over the top, should I say? But you can see some definition is already coming back into this, which is already a good sign. I'm just going to detangle this a bit. This is going through nicely. Lovely. Feels lovely and soft. I'm going to take this much of the leave-in. Don't know, that might actually be maybe a little bit too much even, but okay. Starting from the ends as normal. You can see, look, even more definition is popping through. Comb that through properly. And then I'm just gonna, actually, should I add an oil or not? You know what, I do want to add an oil this time. Because when I do my twists, sometimes I do like to keep them in for a few days, or at least have really moisturized ends. But can you see, like, can you just see my hair is responding really well to these products? And I'm actually liking the leave-in so far. I'm happy with the order I've put them in though. And also, I feel like the leave-in itself actually has a little bit of hold. It's very slightly sticky. Not in a bad way, but it feels like it will give your hair some hold for sure. Today I'm going to roll with Afrocentric's Seal. I don't have a lot of this left. I need to restock. But you guys know me, you know I love this oil like so much. Like literally a drop like that in. I had to do that fast before it starts dripping all down my arm. Focusing on the ends as normal. I'm going to try a 3-strand twist out today. Okay, so I decided I'm actually going to split this into 2 and then do the three-strand twist that way. Reason being, when you do a 3-strand twist, the actual twist is really thick and dense because you're using 3 strands instead of 2, and I want my hair to dry. So if I use large sections, it's going to take a while. You know when you think your twist is dry on the outside and then it's not dry on the inside? Yeah, I don't need that to happen to me. This is not a tutorial, okay, and I haven't done this in a while. But I've got my 3 strands here. I just want to make sure that they're about the same size if I can help it. That looks pretty good. I'm trying to remember how to do this now. See if I can do this. Okay, yeah. I still remember. My hands feel tired already there. Because I'm putting a lot of effort into it. Hang on, let's see. Okay. If you really need a tutorial on this, you can let me know. I don't think I've ever done a 3-strand twist tutorial on my channel. And to be honest, I think I've tried it one time and it did turn out really nice, but it wasn't really, I don't know, there was a time when it was literally a craze running around YouTube. Everybody was doing it and I tried it and it did turn out nice, but yeah, just let me know if you want a tutorial. I'll do one for you. Hang on. I'm literally taking this much of the leave-in and putting a bit on the ends of each one. Okay, let's see if we can carry on from here. Oh. Okay, it's getting a bit thin though. My fingers can't go any further. Okay, and then of course I've got nails on. Okay, so from here I've got like this much. I'll combine two of them into one, and I just do a little 2-strand twist towards the end. Give it a little curl, and there we go. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but as a twist it comes out a lot more dense and tight than your average 2-strand twist. I'm liking how the products feel so far. Before I start this one, I'm going to take this much of the leave-in, add a bit more to the ends. Take a little bit more oil and add to the ends, not too much, literally like this much on my fingertips. So I've got these two in one hand and one in that hand, and then I'm just like, this one comes from the front to the back, this one comes from the back to the front, and you just keep going front to the back to the front, front to the back to the front, front to the back to the front, and you just keep going. That's the best explanation that I can give for now. Low key though. Ooh, come through length. Hey. Okay, so here we go. We've got 2 done so far. This at the end, I've 2-strand twisted it and just given it a little bit more oomph at the ends. Actually, that looks like it might need a little bit more twisting, but here we go. So far, I'm very happy with the way that my hair feels. I'm very happy with how the products feel in my hair.
Ryan Little.
Here we are. Twists are all done. I didn't do them tiny. The only thing I want to say about 3-strand twists is that I don't feel like it's as much of a wearable style as 2-strand twists. Like when you do 2 strands, they come out in a way that's like, it's cute. It can be cute and worn as a style, and then you can take them out. Whereas I feel like the 3-strand, there's something about the way that they look, like they just don't look as wearable. They're not as cute, but the style always comes out looking so bomb when it comes out well. So I had to redo a couple like these on the front because my hair at the front, if you didn't know, my hair in this section is a bit softer, and even when I do my 2-strand twist, I have to make extra effort to make sure that I twist them tightly enough. If I don't do that, they'll be really loose, and then it just won't come out the same. So this is what we're working with. This section right here is looking for a trim, and I'll come back when I've sorted that out.
Ryan Little.
loves. So here we are. I've literally just taken my hair down. I haven't done any separating. I'm a bit concerned because I have some sections in the middle that I think I should have probably done a bit smaller, but you live and you learn, right? Like I've got a section like this, which is, I'm gonna have to separate some of them in the middle, but just as a rough first impression, this is what we have. Be a little 360 so you can see. I definitely need to fix this bit in the middle, but I might be able to kind of tuck it away or something, who knows. But overall, I'm very happy with the way that this style has turned out so far. I need to kind of, sorry, don't mind me, my mirror is that way. I don't know, I might need to kind of zhuzh it a bit in a few sections, maybe, like kind of do something like that. I don't know, like kind of bring it down a little bit that way, kind of give it a bit more of that to kind of, I don't know, like I have to play with the shape a little bit. But generally speaking, I'm very happy with it. I've got to say, my hair feels amazingly soft. And I do have really good definition going on. So I'm very, very happy with my results. Regarding the Moisture Curl Hair Milk and the Curl Repair Leave-In from the Coconut Milk range from Cream of Nature, I am very happy with these products. I love how they feel on my hair. I would like to try the whole range now. If you want to see that review, then comment below and let me know. I honestly don't know what the hold is going to be like on these because I've never tried these before. But I am very happy so far with how they've helped my hair turn out. For one, I'm very happy that I put the hair milk first and the leave-in second. In fact, I would say that this is a good leave-in, but you can try it out as a styler as well. It works very, very well, especially with this hair milk right here. So yeah, that's my verdict. I'm actually very, very happy. So loves, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please share it with a friend. If you like videos like this one, then you can hit the red subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll know whenever I upload a new video. Leave any other hair product suggestions in the comment box below that you might like me to try for you. And I'll see you again soon. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on The Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.